Chia is a new cryptocurrency that promises to be greener than other crypto coins and even Bitcoin, but it may cause the drive up of the prices of the hard drive, which is a disadvantage on its side, despite its promised pros. Anyways, it is an interesting new crypto coin that is yet to be launched, and it has just begun trading that is set out to rectify Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other coin flaws while maintaining the cryptocurrency promise of a decentralized and secure form of payment. An interesting coin indeed. In this video, we will be telling you about Chia and why the Chia's coin, the XCH, will hit a 10,000 price. So prepare your mind, pay attention, and buckle your seatbelt while we take you on a crypto journey. Chia is a digital currency with a global workforce and smart transaction platform using the Nakamoto consensus algorithm. It aims to operate a more secure, eco-friendly, user-friendly payment system for payment across borders for modern finance and payments, lending, issuing financial assets, escrow payments, distributed identity, and institutional custody. Chia is a new cryptocurrency that is fixed to start trading next week. Chia uses what is called proofs of space and time to farm new coins instead of the usual mining. There's a lot of bubbling enthusiasm around this Chia blockchain because it was created by Bram Cohen, who is one of the BitTorrent founders and the creator of the torrenting concept, which he later sold to the Tron Foundation in 2018. BitTorrent is widely considered as one of the most brilliant technology innovations in the last 2 decades. Chia Network says the system will reduce the energy expenditure cost required by Bitcoin's proof of work model and also provide better security than Ethereum. Compared to Bitcoin's proof of work conception, Chia's model has a less energy intensive systematic way of producing digital assets. This has made this cryptocurrency be criticized for using as much energy as some whole nations. The model proofs of space and time is an essential component to the proposition of Chia's value. The Chia's proof of space and time in place of the proof of work also reduces environmental contamination. It eliminates the energy inefficiency, unfairness, and centralization of the proof of work model while improving Nakamoto's consensus. The idea is that farmers, i.e. the users, will seed their solid-state drives or their hard drives with a software that puts into specific plots the cryptographic numbers. These specific plots will then be awarded from the blockchain with the block based on the percentage of the total space a farmer or user owns as compared to the entire network. Then it will be verified by a VDF server known as a Time Lord. This Time Lord verifies the farmer's block, thereby allowing the chain to move forward and awarding Chia to the user or farmer. Investors and companies advisors. Chia has a formal company backing it, unlike many of the other offerings of cryptocurrency, and they have the intention of going public. The president and CEO of Chia Network, Gene Hoffman, told Decrypt that they hope to file and also list their equity in the next 6 months or 1 year. Chia and the company backing it up have attracted a good deal of attention from its investors and has been funded by leading venture capitalists such as Andreessen Horowitz, Cypherpunk Holdings, Naval Ravikant, Slow Ventures, Galaxy Digital, A16Z, Greylock, DCM, Stillmark, True Ventures, Metastable, and others, according to Crunchbase data. The company's advisors include general partner Andreessen Horowitz, investor Dr. Christoph Pitzwick, who's the cryptography professor of IST Austria, and Dr. Dan Bonin, research partner at A16Z, and Miss Katie Hahn, an applied cryptography professor at Stanford University. Crypto mining companies like IMD are attracted to the Chia company. In a recent press release of IMD, Rick Wilson, the IMD CEO, said, "We're going all in on Chia. With our extensive research, we believe that Chia is here to stay and will be utilized on a global financial level. We believe our early decision to farm Chia will result in increased revenues for IMD. Major countries are moving from Bitcoin to Chia, partly due to the lower power consumption to plot and farm Chia, and more significantly because Chia has specifically built their platform for the major growth of the financial world. The Chinese, as an example, are diverting 50% of their total Bitcoin mining to Chia farming. Even though Chia has yet to move and set foot in the exchanges, they have their symbol XCH already and will move soon. Chia's programming language. Chia's new smart transaction programming language is Chia Lisp. The Chia company said Chia Lisp combines both the aspects of Ethereum's Solidity model and Bitcoin's UTXO model for the purpose of a more secure and less energy-intensive functionality. Everything on Chia's network blockchain is a coin, and smart coins deliver smart transactions as well as smart contracts in a package. Chia Lisp aims at simplicity and security, not neglecting the fact fact that it has been designed for broad and powerful functionality, enabling users to build and customize advanced custody and clearing arrangements. Chia Lisp's design also allows Chia Control to match and move past internal accounting controls and keep the funds safe from any accidental loss, hacking, or theft with the diverse risk tolerance levels in an easy auditing manner. Chia Lisp key feature sets include digital identity wallets, colored coins, multi-signature wallets, rate-limited wallets, recoverable wallets, authorized payee wallets, and atomic swaps. Let us quickly have a crypto humor to refresh ourselves. Here's a conversation between a stockbroker and God. What are a million years like to you? Like 1 second. What are $1 million like to you? Like 1 penny. Can I have a penny? Just a second. You might need to rewind this video to understand the humor of that conversation. It is a pure sense of humor. You can't and won't be given $1 million overnight without doing anything other than just wishing and hoping. The key to success, even in cryptocurrency, is smart efforts and hard work. The smarter you are with investments in the digital currency industry, the more fruitful it will be. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button with your little finger, and as we go back to talking about Chia. Bram Cohen shared that the first Chia transaction is an exciting milestone which features our long-term mission to provide environmentally sustainable financial freedom. I am incredibly proud of our team and our renovation of Bitcoin's approach to the everything is coin model. We will continue to enhance the features of Chia and Chia Lisp in the areas of colored coins, digital identity wallets, and NFT support. This is just the beginning of our journey to become the core of a new financial architecture. A promising coin with features that have a promising future with being smart and hardworking. Chia's network has a predictable, continuous form of inflation and strategic reserve to reduce the volatility and ensure any potential crashes by holding a reserve of 21 million Chia Coin in a nod to Bitcoin. The white paper notes of the company said being able to directly calculate a shared expectation of the total supply at any given time gives much the same financial and peace of mind benefit. The design of Chia makes it a very accessible cryptocurrency. The at-home farmers and users will have the ability to compete and earn Chia Coin by seeding their hard drives or solid-state drives. It is going to be a more profitable experience. According to Gene Hoffman, Chia will be the easiest to validate cryptocurrency for normal people. Let's put our fingers crossed on that. Farming Chia Coin. Farming in the Chia network is a very easy process that is lightweight, leaving your computer free to do other things. If you're interested in learning more about Chia's blockchain and Chia farming, read Chia's business white paper or watch the company's main net launch video released on March 19th, or visit chiacentral.com and review the plotting basics posted by Gene Hoffman. Chia's company believes that digital money should be easier to use than cash, almost impossible to steal, and very much hard to lose. Mining at home is possible again. The more space Chia uses, the more strings it has, and the greater the farmer's chance of winning a block. Gene Hoffman said it's pretty simple to download and use. The Chia blockchain has a lot of familiar crypto applications or native features that should make it easier to trust and build. Chia comes with a good sum of built-in features from the get-go that may increase trust and safety for its farmers and users. Chia's public listing. It was stated in the company's white paper that it should not be controversial that investors deserve protection through a public disclosure, and certainly the public shouldn't be sold investments without that legally required transparency. That Chia network is willing to embrace regulation in order to prevent the usual farces and scams that happen to hurt investors from happening to theirs is a plus to their rate. Gene Hoffman explained through one of his emails that, unlike most projects, coin ownership has nothing to do with the protocol. This is not a proof of stake. The chart of ownership percentages of coins in the white paper is a worst case, as we expect to use shareholder distribution to migrate Chia Coin out of a broad public shareholder base. By going with a public listing, Chia fundamentally allows backers to handle its interest as an exchange-traded fund for the Chia Coin cryptocurrency. And that is actually because the company's chief asset is a considerable pre-mine or pre-farm, according to the Chia's language, of 21 million Chia Coin that will be occupied and in the control for the company. It is intended for advancing Chia's network, also in a way to benefit Chia Coin stakeholders. A user's farm will have 4,608 chances in a day to win 2 Chia Coin. In order for the farmer to be rewarded with Chia Coin, his plot needs to have passed the filter and then competed with all the other plots that have been passed for the best proof of space to be rewarded. There is an algorithm to ensure that the farmer's plot has 1 out of 512 chances of passing a filter. It also shows where a plot should have passed the filter in a 24-hour period, about 18 times. The Chia Network IOU currently is at $681.45 with a 24-hour trading volume of 58.84 million across 11 exchanges. The IOU reached its highest price on the 3rd of May when it was trading at its all-time high of $2,389.16. Over the past 14 days, Chia Network has habitually been the most and largest decentralized blockchain by full node count, which has usually exceeded 100,000 full nodes. The company's white paper states that someday we all might buy coffee in San Francisco with Chia, but for now, we think banks and governments and DeFi collectives will use it to build new financial technology, solve cross-border payments, and invent a new future that doesn't require trusting so many middlemen. In the proximate term, Chia's company aims to cover what has been worked about crypto so far, and capitalize and build on it so that it can be accessible for everyone. While we cannot really know if or if not Chia will be a success, nevertheless, it is still clear that this digital currency is offering something that most of the new altcoins don't with its proof of space and time model. That's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons to follow us for more updates, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.